My bad. Oh, anyway. Good morning. My name's Fat Ash. My booty flat as hell, but I'm gon' throw it back. I've been eating food, so it really ain't that flat no more. Anyways, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I upload a video, which will probably be like every other day, but it will probably be Tuesdays and Saturdays if I'm busy on it every other day. Anyway, I'm just finna do a quick vlog. I just redid my hair. I was gonna do a video showing y'all. Fucking lied. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Jesus died on the cross so I can tell white lies like this to you guys, and you can forgive me. I'm sorry. I lied, okay? I might still do it, but not this time. This time I became a liar. But I was supposed to record myself making my box braids smaller so y'all could see the process of how I showed y'all how I did my goddess box braid. And then now I got this going on. And I don't even know if you can see because the sun being a B word. How I went from my goddess box braids to these. If you watch I haven't posted it yet. I'm gonna post this video today, but I haven't posted the video that I'm finna mention. But if you're gonna watch the Little Red Robin Hood vlog where I went to my grandma's house, I did show a little bit of the process of me redoing my hair, but just a little bit. I didn't make a whole video like I said, so I apologize. But this video is gonna hopefully make up for that. I'm about to count how many box braids I have on my head, and I started with 25. My goddess box braids, I had 25, so I'm about to count these real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 24, 25. I'm finna turn around. I'm at 25. I hope y'all can see me. I'm finna turn sideways. I know y'all can see me. So I'm at 25. Y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see or not. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's turn back around. 35. Whew. Alright. 35. 36, 37, 48, 49. That's weird. He swung his dang on door kind of carelessly. Damn. Anyways, I got 49, what'd I say, 59 or 49? I don't know. I forgot that fast. Oh my God. I gotta go back and see when I edited. But I forgot the number that fast. 49 or 59. I'm sorry. The person next to me, he like opened his door and it like was very close to my car. But anyway. So yeah. That's how many box braids I have. I hope this video was entertaining. Stay tuned. I got a clothing haul video. I got a few hauls coming. I'm doing some collabs. I got a Little Red Riding Hood vlog coming where you guys will get to meet my grandmother. and see more of my mother, because I think y'all like my mom. I think y'all come for me, but y'all stay for my mom. I don't know how I feel about that yet, but thank you for watching. She appreciates it, and I do too. I feel like it's something else I wanted to say, but if I remember it, I'll just put it in the video while I'm editing it. But that's the end of this video. It's a quick little video. I just want to count my box braids and try to make up for the lie I told. Sorry, forgive me for that. I will do it in future videos if y'all want me to. It's not a problem. I box braid my hair all the time. Well, now I plan on doing it all the time because now I have enough hair to box braid. Okay, anyway, see y'all later. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I post, and I'll see y'all.